100 kilometers an hour going up this hill. Wow. This is new. At least it's new for me. I mean, I think pretty well the last video that I put out was the last time I drove this highway. So, it looks like it's completely 100% open with no slowdowns, 100 kilometers an hour. Or not.
There's a big cave in the mountain up there. I think that's where Bigfoot lives.
I bet you it is. Is Bigfoot and Sasquatch the same thing?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
They are, eh?
I think so. It's like the Yeti and the Abominable Snowman. They're the same thing, aren't they? And they're all like cousins of the Bigfoot, Sasquatch.
So this is the first time I've ever been able to drive this section of highway at 100 kilometers an hour.
And at least part of that is because your car can actually go that on a hill, whereas your truck couldn't always.
Yeah. But the speed limit was never 100 kilometers an hour going up that hill. There was always 80. See, 100 kilometers an hour. Loving it. I see that they've left a lot of the old curves. A little bit of construction still
They've
going
added
on.
a lot of netting. Probably with
This
all
is
the
my
plastic.
wife's first drive along this section since it's been upgraded. What do you think?
Like I said, they've added a lot of netting for where they've done the extreme cuts and things, which makes a lot of sense because you're going to have a lot of loose rock for a while.
So that's it. It's 100%